I love how you can cook so many recipes with rice and they turn out amazing. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you biryani, which is a flavorful and aromatic rice recipe, which you can cook with some chicken or mutton. For the recipe, you'll need a whole chicken and a few other ingredients, which you're going to find listed in the description box. You're going to need 3 to 4 large onions, and I have mine here, which I've already chopped up or sliced up. So I'm going to get straight into frying my onions. So you're going to add in a third cup plus 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to your pot. Stir in the onions and reduce the flames to medium-low. Slowly cook your onions for around 2 to 3 minutes until they have a very nice golden brown color. Meanwhile, I'm going to be marinating my chicken, and to my bowl, I'm going to be adding in half a cup of yogurt. Add in some Biryani Masala, Paprika, Turmeric, and a little bit of Cayenne, which is very much optional if you're not into spicy food. Add in half of the garlic and ginger, squeeze in some lemon juice and salt. Go in with my hands and massage in all the seasoning into the chicken. Once the chicken is well coated with the spices, you're going to be marinating for around 30 minutes. And if you have time, cover your chicken and keep it in the fridge overnight. Back to my onions. I'm going to stir in. Because the onions are slowly cooking, they're not going to brown too much. After 3 minutes, this is how your onion should be looking like. So you're going to use a slotted spoon and transfer to a plate. It's been around 20 minutes and my chicken is well marinated. I'm going to transfer to my pot. Add in the rest of the marinade in the bowl. Make sure to get everything from the bowl and a little bit more salt. Then I'm going to cover and let this cook for around 20 to 25 minutes. Now I'm going to be making some rice for my biryani. So over here I have 2 cups of long grain basmati rice that I'm going to be washing several times until the water runs clear. This is to get rid of the excess starch in the rice because you need your rice to cook perfection. After 5 minutes, this is how my chicken is looking like. So I'm going to add in my onions and the rest of the garlic. Toss the fried onions and garlic together with the chicken. Add in half a cup of water and stir in. Reduce the flames to medium-low. Cover with your lid and let this slowly simmer for around 15 to 20 minutes. Back to my rice. I have another pot on another burner. So I'm going to put on the flames and add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and I'm going to be toasting a couple of whole spices. I have some green cardamom, star anise, and cloves. So I'm going to add into the pot. Open up the green cardamom pot so that they can get very aromatic. And after 30 seconds, you're going to add in 1 bay leaf, your rice, one chicken stock cube. Stir in all the ingredients into the rice and toss for around 1 to 2 minutes. And as the rice is toasting, it's going to get a very nice smoky flavor. When the rice is well toasted, you're going to add in salt and 4 cups of water. Stir in your rice and cook for around 4 to 5 minutes. When it comes to water to rice ratio, because I'm using 2 cups of rice, I've measured out 4 cups of water. So 1 cup of rice equals to 2 cups of water. Check on my chicken and it's slowly cooking. It looks so good and delicious. I'm going to check the seasoning. So good. I need a little bit salt. Cover my pot and let this cook for another 8 minutes. Once the water has evaporated, you're going to reduce the flames to low. Add in your fried onions. Cover and simmer on low for around 5 minutes. It has been around 25 minutes and my chicken has been slowly cooking and the kitchen is smelling incredible. So I'm going to check on my chicken and oh my, the sauce has reduced halfway. Looking thick and very delicious. I'm a super excited girl right now. Just look at that chicken. Because I don't want to overcook my chicken, I'm going to be garnishing with some coriander, which is going to add in some color and also lots of flavor. Then next I'm going to be adding in the rest of the fried onions. The fried onions are going to add in a very nice taste to the biryani, so don't skip on frying your onions. Toss all the coriander and the fried onions together with the chicken. Put out the flames. My rice is almost ready. Once the rice is cooked, I'm going to add in some food color, just a little bit. Cover and cook for another 1 minute. When the rice is ready, you're going to remove the bay leaf. Fluff up your rice using a fork. Just look how gorgeous the rice has turned out. It's perfectly cooked. Just look how gorgeous the rice has turned out. I've added a little bit of coriander. When your chicken biryani is ready, it's going to be looking so delicious, mouth-watering, and all the lovely words that you can get because, yeah, this is looking so good. My rice has turned out perfectly cooked. It's very aromatic. Let me tell you, if you try this recipe, you won't be disappointed because, yeah, everything is perfect. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try and tell me in the comment section how it turns